Dollar! I didn't know you were following me. Welcome, my Facebook followers. This is Arnold's Nature Walk. We're going out in the woods. You don't know what you're gonna find. Get that rebel flags everywhere. You might find two uncles fucking each other. It's incest. It might be scary. Be wow. Okay, watch out for this fucking mud. Jesus fuck. I'm flooded. I'm gonna drown. I can't fucking swim. Water scares me like numbers. Are y'all ready to see some crazy shit? I've been drinking a little bit. I don't know who the fuck I am. But I tell you right now, Bear Grylls ain't got shit on me. Okay, you need to watch out for the snickerdoodles. The vicious, and I jump up and bite you. Jesus! What the fuck? Did you see that? Followers, you got to be watching. Be aware. Okay, now guys, I don't know how to start a fucking fire. So, if we get lost in the woods, I guess we'll fucking die. Mosquito's gonna eat us up. I get real bumpy. I start to inflate like a goddamn balloon. I get bite too much. Back to Arnold's Nature Walk. You see the grass right here? This is very good for fucking wiping your ass if you gotta go take a shit in the woods. You get the bunch, like a handful, you twist them up. It's very good, very soft. Like angel soft color paper. You wipe your ass, not too hard, not too tricky. Stop a lot. See, like that motherfucker. You don't watch where you're going in the woods. And I don't Nature Walk, you walk it's hit by a fucking bumblebee, a bear, or even a flower. Be careful. Be aware. It's summertime, it's hot. The goddamn snake. Jesus fucking Christ. I thought there was Arnold's Nature Walk, but if you follow me, I will get you lost because we are fucking lost right now and I'm fucking sweating my dick off. I wipe my forehead every 5 seconds just to get the goddamn sweat off me. It's hot as fuck out here. No wonder the snickerdoodles and the barricans out here, they gonna fucking attack you. They eat your nuts like it's bubble gum. Not fucking around. Jesus fuck, my legs are hurting. I'm not fucking buff anymore. I'm fucking kind of overweight. And this walk isn't helping shit. I'm getting aggravated. I'm Russian. My relatives are Nazis. We drink vodka and this vodka isn't fucking helping. I told you it's supposed to make you feel better. It's so goddamn fucking hot. I don't know what this trail leads. It's like a never-ending fucking trail, and you're gonna keep walking until you fucking die.
Arnold, I think we're lost.
What?
I said I think we're lost.
What?
I said I think we're lost.
No shit! What the fuck do you think we're doing? Walking for fucking fun? No, I wanna get in the water with naked the bitches. Hoodies in my face. Laying back with my fucking house in the sand. Putting my ass in the mud. Fucking snakes. Mosquitoes crawling up my asshole. That's uncomfortable. This Nature Walk sucks.